Are you guys wanting to go out and make money on YouTube without making any videos of your own or without even showing your face? Well, watch the videos to the very end because I'm going to be explaining exactly how this is actually possible and how you can actually make these videos for a very cheap price. Hey, I'm the Financial Tiger, and I worked with over 150 different channels to go ahead and make their cash cow content. You guys are probably wondering, what is a cash cow channel? Well, it's essentially channels delegating different jobs such as script writing, voice acting, and even editing, and including the thumbnail as well, to go ahead and make a full YouTube video without even doing any work yourself. We're going to be breaking down how to go ahead and get those workers. We're also going to be breaking down what are the most efficient niches to go ahead and grow a cash cow channel in, and we're going to be going ahead and going over some of the scams that are out there. If you guys are interested in making money online, definitely go ahead and subscribe to the Financial Tiger channel. I'm going to be covering a lot of cash cow channel topics and a bunch of different money making methods. But anyways, let's jump right into it. So the first step to go ahead and make money on YouTube is you guys are going to need a monetized channel. This is actually super easy. If you guys are actually wanting to go ahead and do it, there's two different methods. The first method is actually going to be to make a channel from scratch, have your content creator upload on it, or you guys can make the content yourself. But it is rather easy to go ahead and get a channel monetized. All you guys need is 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. That sounds like a lot when you're first starting off, but when you guys go ahead and get a little bit bigger on YouTube, then you guys will be able to make a lot of money. For the second method is to go ahead and buy a monetized channel. I'm going to leave my Discord tag down in the description below so you guys can go ahead and add me if you guys are interested in buying a monetized channel. These usually range from $250 all the way up to $400 depending on what niche you want, but I can definitely get any type of monetized channel. So the second step is to go ahead and make a niche. Simply go ahead and find what you want to go to make videos on. Celebrity videos have been blowing up. It's simply using other people's name for easy clicks and views, which is actually really good for a cash cow channel. But then there's other niches such as gaming. You have Fortnite, Minecraft, Roblox. Roblox has a very bad RPM with basically $1.50 to $2. I talked to many people and on Roblox cash cow channels. So let's take for instance Roblox Rooster, a channel that I used to make videos for, but then I started outsourcing the videos. He had a $1.50 RPM, which wasn't good. Essentially every 1,000 views that he had on his channel, he got basically $1.50 back, which is a really bad return on investment. This video right here will probably have a $20 RPM, which I'm super excited about, and definitely way better than any type of gaming niche, but Fortnite is definitely the highest with around a $6 RPM. So once you guys have your niche picked out, there's just so many different ones to go ahead and choose. If you guys need help, just go ahead and message me. I would actually be glad to help you guys make some content. So the third step is to go ahead and get content creators. This is actually very easy. A lot of people on Fiverr, you can go ahead and find a lot of cash cow videos and just top 5, top 10 listings out there, and they're charging around $50 to $70. That is a lot of money, and you're probably not going to receive a return on your investment, which is actually super disappointing. These people are definitely overcharging. So how much should it actually cost? In my personal opinion, it should cost around $40 to $50. $40 for a 4 to 5 minute video and $50 for around an 8-minute video. Those videos are actually really easy to go ahead and make, and let me explain these costs. So it should cost around $15 for the editor, it should cost around $10 for the script, and around another $15 for the voiceover artist. These actually make sure that everybody's staying motivated, and this actually makes it so that you have a lot of consistent people. Consistency is key. You don't want to change the voice every single video, so it's very important that you guys have consistency. For an 8-minute video to put mid-rolls in, it'll cost you about $10 more. Lucky for me, I have my own content creation team, so if you guys want to go ahead and get some videos made in any niche, I can easily do it. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump into the fourth step. The fourth step is actually where to find these people. I'm going to go ahead and hop on my computer so I can show you guys exactly where I find all of my people, and it's actually really easy. It's actually on Discord. Okay, now I'm on my computer, so let's go ahead and make a content creation team. So go to your browser, and there's a bunch of different things that you can go ahead and look up. Fiverr is definitely not the way. When you type in top 5 video, let's go to take a look at what we get for $10.
Do you want someone to make high-quality top 10 videos for your YouTube channel with script and voiceover?
As you can see, we basically get a robot voice. We do not want that. That's exactly what a lot of people do, and it's just not good quality. But this guy may be good at writing scripts, as you can see, up to 1,200 words, so he may be able to go ahead and get us a script. Who knows? But as you can see, his work for editing and everything else, he's just missing a voiceover, which in my personal opinion, it's not good. As you can see, he does up to 1,200 words. We could possibly get a script from him, but honestly, I wouldn't really risk it. Let's go back, and you can see that there's a more expensive option. Now, let's go and check out what $50 gets us.
Top 10 horror movies you can only watch once.
As you can see, this is basically a $50 edit. It says need script and voice for editing, and it's up to 3 minutes runtime. That is just bad, and the price is just terrible. If you go ahead and go to standard package, you guys get voice acting and you also get editing, but you still are missing a script for $10 more. This is just unacceptable, and essentially the voice acting was $10 and the editing is still $50. If we go ahead and go to premium for $80, the script is $20. This is just ridiculous, guys. In my personal opinion, this is just not a good deal. The thing that we want to go ahead and find is actually top 5 scripts. This is very important. I would definitely recommend only buying scripts off of Fiverr, and then make sure to go ahead and get them off Fiverr somehow, because Fiverr has a processing fee of $2. I really can't stand Fiverr, and it's just not good. Our next option is to go ahead and post job offers on Upwork, but in my personal opinion, I'm not a big fan of the platform because we have to go ahead and go out of our way to post a job offer, which will take a while and you'll get underqualified people. The last option and the right one to go is probably Discord. Type in editing Discord and you're going to come across a link for Discord right here. Go ahead and look at all of these Discords. In my personal opinion, this is the best way to find people. Go to member count and you're going to come across Nitro Design, which is going to be right here. If we go ahead and join Nitro Design, you can find a bunch of graphic designers and editors, and in my personal opinion, they have probably the best prices. So now let's go ahead and get our video edited. Scroll down to the tab that says video editors. So this Discord is best to find video editors and graphic designs. Right now I'm in the video editor tab, and you can actually see that there's a bunch of people posting their work and actually posting some prices that you can go ahead and pay. I definitely recommend before having them edit your video fully, have them do a sample or even have them show you some examples of their past work. That makes it so it's easy to go ahead and work with them and make sure that they're actually wanting to go ahead and make videos for the long run. And to get a cheaper price, I definitely recommend advertising your job as a consistent one because you're running a YouTube channel that needs editors consistently. Also, in these channels, you can go ahead and post your job request, which will actually have the editors or designers message you, making the process way easier than reaching out to people. Now, let's go ahead and move on to voice actors. For voice acting, I recommend going to Fiverr and finding some people, or you can go ahead and join voice acting Discords. Now, let me show you exactly what I have created just to go ahead and run every single channel that I've made content for. To keep your content creators organized, I recommend making a schedule like this. I'm going to go ahead and leave a template down in the description below so you guys can go ahead and have this. So take a look at this. This is an example for a channel called Roblox Infusion, and it has some pointers. Make videos 4 to 5 minutes long. Make sure to add gameplay in the background as well. As you can see, it's just basic tips, but if we go ahead and check out this, you can see the topics, 10 things you need to know about Roblox Skyblock. And as you can see, those are all the topics, and it's actually pretty interesting. So this actually keeps everybody organized and makes sure that your content team understands exactly what they're doing on what given day. Now, let me show you this amazing system that I have made simply to go ahead and make content creation way easier. Simply, all I do is I have the voice actors message this bot right here. So for example, if I go ahead and send this bot a message and say exclamation point new project, simply like this, it's so easy, guys. And I just put the audio files inside of this drive right here. As you can see, they're here, and all I did was, once the editor's done, I get a finished product like this, making the process super easy. No way, she started the crew. Hey guys, it's Roblox Swim here. Welcome back to yet again another video. As you guys can see, I got a finished video just like that, and it's all edited for a super good price. I recommend making some type of system like this if you guys ever get into multiple content creation. Another thing that you need to have your editor do, and it's very important, is to copyright check videos. Simply have them upload the video unlisted to a channel for 20 minutes, and then if it does not come back with any copyright claims, it is safe to go ahead and upload the video to your channel. And now on to the fifth step. The fifth step is simply to go ahead and upload the video that the editor has sent you back. It is that easy, and you want to make sure that you give people schedules to make sure everything is organized for your channel. Organization is key when you want to go ahead and run a cash cow channel, because essentially it will run itself. If the scriptwriter can go ahead and make multiple scripts a day, then you guys should be on to something big. But now let's move on to the scams. So I'm not going to put any names out there specifically, but you probably know exactly who I'm talking about. There's some courses for $7,500, and essentially these courses will not get you anywhere. All you get with these courses is basically a content manager, which is going to be charging you higher than you actually will pay for videos, such as $70 or even around $50 for a 5-minute video, which is just ridiculous, and it's $70 for an 8-minute video. So I just couldn't believe when I heard about this, and I really wanted to go ahead and help people out. But if you guys are actually interested in getting some content from me, go ahead and check down in the description below. I'm going to go ahead and make a YouTube Cash Cow Discord, so you guys can go ahead and join and ask any questions that you want about cash cows. My main goal is to go ahead and help people with these cash cow videos, and just to really give people more work, because there's a lot of these editors that don't really get enough work, and I feel kind of bad. But anyways guys, that's going to pretty much wrap it up for today's video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. Definitely subscribe to Financial Tiger if this video was remotely helpful. There's going to be a bunch more cash cow videos out, but I will see you guys next time on the next video. Bye.